Ahoj, my jsme z ZEREMEVESMIR.cz a máme tady Pamelou Gay, známou astronomku a popularizátorku, a zeptáme se jí na pár otázek. Pamela, can you tell us something about citizen science? I know you are involved in this thing, so can you tell us something about that?
Well, in science we have many different problems where we as scientists can't do it all ourselves. We either can't observe stars as many hours of the night as we'd like to, or we can't go through all of the images coming down from spacecraft. And so we reach out to everyday people and we ask, can you help us? And with citizen science, we are actually producing new understanding about our universe through volunteerism, through getting everyday people, moms, children, groups in classes, groups watching TV while their spouse watches something on TV they don't like, who are spending time on their computers or outside observing, and they're generating the data, annotating the data, and allowing us to just do the final analysis, and we can spend all of our time doing analysis and advance science faster.
And do you think people enjoy this? Do you think they get some new information from this, or entertainment, or do you think, or what feedback do you have from citizens?
So our big research study that we're doing right now is to actually sit down and interview people and ask them, why do you do this in your spare time? And unfortunately, I can't share the results yet.
Okay.
But what we do know is people are doing this in their spare time, and if they didn't enjoy it, why aren't they off playing Angry Birds instead? So the fact that they're spending time online, not playing World of Warcraft, but instead mapping craters on the moon, tells me they want to be part of this community and they want to do science.
Great, thank you. Okay, the second question is, do you think ordinary people should watch the stars, and why?
It's easy to always keep our eyes down, to only look at the things that are beside us and never look up. But if we never look up, it's easy to lose track of just how insignificant it all is and get bogged down in the details. We need context sometimes. Yes, it's important to realize our world is currently the only place that has humanity, but our world is one of billions of worlds in our galaxy. And that changes how you think into the future. It's not just today, it's not just what's happening next door. It's one world in billions of worlds. And when you look up, it helps you see that context.
Okay, great, thank you. Okay, and the final question is, what do you think a successful scientist should eat or drink? That's actually a kind of a poll question we are asking all the people around.
So I have to admit that, as near as I can tell, successful scientists are people who eat that well-balanced meal. Yeah, we all eat junk food occasionally, but you have to be healthy to keep your brain going. And so there's lots of vegetarians, but there's also lots of people who eat everything. But they eat a balanced diet, and we don't sleep enough, so you have to make up for it in nutrition.
And what about drinks? Maybe something particular? Well,
there's always a time and a place for a good adult beverage, but I think all of us are powered by coffee.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
My
Thank
pleasure.
you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.